Hello everyone, welcome to Art with Joshi and I am Shikha Joshi. Today we will make something very interesting. But before I start, I want you all to subscribe the channel, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to like, share and comment. So let's start. Now you all can see we'll be creating a very simple landscape, but we will be using sketch pens to color it, but we will not color them, we will create some textures. So this is shapes and spaces, and basically we will create textures in the landscape. So we learn how to make textures with sketch pens. So are you all guys ready? Let's start. To start with it, I'm using a thin OHP marker. We don't have to use a thick one, we have to use a thin marker or a black sketch pen. And first we will outline the whole image what we are creating. Okay, so we'll be just outlining. So I'm starting with mountains. So we have just created some mountains here. Now you can create your own landscape also. I've tried to create a very simple landscape. These are some clouds. I'll make a hut here. Now we have already you can check the I button where we have added a video and learn how to make a hut. Okay, so you can just do that. This is a very simple one, and while making it we have to remember this has to be a slanting one, and this again has to be a slanting one. This is the door of my hut, and so very simple drawing I'm making just to show you how beautifully we can make it and create a beautiful landscape with just different techniques like we will be using sketch pens. And with the sketch pens, we will be creating a beautiful effect in this. To make that, what we have to do is we have to create different textures. So this is also known as texture art, and we can also learn how with different textures we can create a wonderful scene. Okay, to start with it, I'm just making a scene. You have to first of all create a landscape, any landscape. I'm making a tree here. I'm making the upper part of the tree. So we will be creating any landscape. You can also change a landscape with your choice. So it's up to you what you want to create. I've just created a simple landscape. Here I'll make some bushes. And this way I'll be making some water. So I've just created water, right? And this is my sun. So my sun is here, and I'll make some lines. I could have also done it with yellow, but it's okay. So one thing, very simple, and trying to make it very creative. And we can make some birds here. We can later on also add some birds. So I'm just making it right away. Simple birds. So my drawing is done. Now what we can do is, as we have already made a drawing with the pencil, we'll just erase the extra lines which we can see, so that when we are using a sketch pen, it's easy for us to do the drawing, as well as nothing is visible in the background. That is also very important. Okay, now what we will do is we will just create some beautiful textures to create this scene. I'm using a light green color. I'll tell you how to create the textures. And I'm making a spiral texture first. Okay, so if I'm starting from top here, I'll make a spiral texture. Just simple spiral textures. So the whole painting has to be with textures. You can make any texture of your choice. I'm making this spiral texture, and we will keep doing it. Okay, now what I will do is I will also add different shades to it. So I'm starting with the light green color, and I will add For the mountains, again I'm taking a darker brown and I will create a simple lines. For the sun, I am making simple lines, straight lines. For the bushes, we will be again using the green color. I am taking a red color for the bricks. Now I am making 3 lines, then I'll make 3 straight lines. 3 sleeping lines, 3 standing lines, 3 sleeping lines, 3 standing lines. I will change. Taking a pink color to make some slanting lines. So we'll make some slanting lines here. And in this part of the house, I am changing the color, some other color, and I will be making some other pattern. So what I will be doing is, I will making crisscross lines. First I will make the slanting line. I am making these 3 lines to give the complete effect of the grass, because this is the whole area. So I am just creating this effect of 3 lines together. Simple ways, and you can create wonderful art pieces. Add your own creativity. You can change the patterns, you can change the design, you can change the colors. Now I'll take the darker green color to create again a different pattern for the grass. Now I'm taking this blue color, and with the lighter blue I'm just giving the effect of this water. So simple effect. Now I will leave the center part white, and For the sky, I'm taking a different blue and I will create a pattern, a scribbling pattern. Now, what I will do is I will just scribble it around. I'm just scribbling it around. That's it. Simple. Which we do on the back page of our files and books. The same pattern I'm just creating. Just simple scribbling. That's it. So I'm leaving it white, but what I can do is with a very light tone, I'll just give some dots. Not exactly a lot of dots, very simple, very few dots, and I'll leave it like that. I will not fill the whole area. I'll just leave it like that. I'll add a few dots and then I'll leave it. Few dots near to each other and then I'll just leave it like that. So it will give a very beautiful impact of the sky. And it's complete. So with simple sketch pens, how beautiful and how creative painting we can create. I hope you all enjoyed making it along with me. Do share your pictures on our Insta and Facebook page, and of course, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for watching this video and do try it out. Stay happy everyone and stay safe. Take care. Bye.